Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate pancakes. First, gather your dry ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a small pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter or oil. Now, combine your dry ingredients in a large bowl, whisking them well to ensure everything is evenly distributed. Then, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula until just combined. It's important not to overmix. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and will result in fluffier pancakes. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so keep it light. Next, gently fold in about 1/2 cup of your favorite chocolate chips into the batter. Now, heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour approximately 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flip carefully and cook until golden brown. Finally, serve your warm, fluffy chocolate pancakes immediately. They are absolutely delicious on their own, but feel free to add your favorite toppings. Consider fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a generous drizzle of maple syrup for an extra treat. For those looking to simplify their kitchen routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade chocolate pancake feast.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.